Hello, welcome back to the channel. Bit of an update on what's been going on in the workshop, and also I've been asked to measure up for the badges and stickers on the back of the car. This one's a 1980 spec on an E-Reg. So the Ford badge is on the right hand side. It is, well, if you measure from, we can see it from that boot line there, that's nearly sort of 15 mil up, and so we get there from the centre there is about 20 for that one. So that's how that one looks, like that. Right, the other side one, which is there. Let's try and get this in. So the top, the top's nearly, that's a bit, I think there's a bit come off that. So if we do, let's try and do this one-handed. It's nearly 15 up and across. If we go from the bottom of it, the bottom letter, so it's nearly 25. 25 there, but that's near enough. Looking at that, near enough at the top of the light. But that's how that one looks on that one. So, but Rob, I think it was Rob asked me the question. So that's that. Trying to get a view in it. So that's how it looks. And the other ones are just below the indicators. So if you do, what's that? From that strip, that's nearly, that's about 30, 36, 37 high, and from the top there is nearly 40, so 48. So that's that one. And if you go from the bottom of the bottom of the light, that's nearly 20. Nearly 20. So that's the side one. That's the side one. Right, that's that. Right, let's have a look at the workshop. Come on, dogs. Right, what's been going on here? we've actually panelled. Try and get a better view. Panelled from there down, so it's nearly that wall, all the sheets I had, and then I've done all the way across and up the end, so it looks a lot brighter now. All the way across there, I've got a little bit of painting across there, but basically I've actually panelled near enough all that side till about that window, so I've still got that bit to do. I haven't got any more sheets, but we've done all the way across there, all the way, so it's a lot brighter in here. I need to get a light above the bench, just to brighten this area up. I think probably two, I think, to do that. But that's all that bit brightened up. I've actually got some panels and insulation to do the doors. I've got some 6mm ply, some thinner stuff to do the doors, so I can insulate the doors. So I'll make it a bit warmer in here. The car is basically full up the stuff to get out of the way to paint, so I've got to empty all that out and find a home for that. I'm still waiting for the steel to come to do that, to do a video on that. So I've been chasing them up. Where's the metal? And also there is part 2 of the battery tray, which I'm sorting out the video now and chopping bits out of it, so you don't see my head all the time, because that is a bit of a tricky place to film. So they got that coming this week, so look out for that. And then once I've cleared all this crap out of here again and everything from underneath, I will get on with part 3 of the battery tray. So I hope you all enjoyed the battery tray, and I'll see you all soon for getting the welder out, first time this year. So thanks for watching, and hope that's helpful, Rob, for the stickers, so you know where they got to go. So I think that'll do today. What are you all doing, dogs? Hello, Shadow, what are you doing? Got all 3 of you in here today. Not really a lot of room. Come on. Where you gone? What are you doing? Come on, you. Where's that other one gone? Right. Come on, you lot, out. Come on, out. Out. Come on, and you, Shadow, out. Go on, out. All out. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon.